If you're looking to move to Panama, great. But if you think your Medicare insurance will cover you, stop and listen. I have something for you. Stay tuned. Most expats don't realize this, but Medicare does not work here, and many U.S. plans won't cover you outside the country. As a nurse living here in Panama, I've seen people arrive completely unprotected. So, before you move, please make sure you understand your options. Watch my full video on my channel so that you don't make this costly mistake. Hi, guys, and welcome to Life Evolve with Michelle. I am a registered nurse and an expat living here in Panama. And on this channel, I share the real health care, lifestyle, and retirement information and what you need to know before making a big move here to Panama. So, on this episode, I want to talk about the big truth of Medicare. So, here's the reality. Part A and Part B of Medicare generally does not cover health care outside of the U.S. There are only a few rare exceptions. Those are medical emergencies near a U.S. border, care on a cruise ship within the U.S. territorial waters, and certain emergency situations if a foreign hospital is closer than a U.S. hospital. But for everyday healthcare in Panama, which includes your doctor visits, your labs, imaging, and surgeries, you will be paying out of pocket. So, something to think about. But why this isn't always bad news? Now, here's the part many people don't realize. Healthcare in Panama is significantly more affordable than the US. For example, you can get a doctor visit around $20 to $50, a specialty visit around $40 to $80, lab and imaging a fraction of the US prices. Many retirees actually choose to pay cash because the costs are so manageable. I have a video up where you can see where I paid $20 for a primary care visit. And I will link that video here for you so you can check that out. So you may ask, what about Medicare Advantage plans? So this is important. Most Medicare Advantage plans also do not provide full coverage internationally. So some people may offer, or some of them may offer limited emergency coverage while traveling, but they are not designed for full-time living abroad. So if you plan to live in Panama for the long term, you should assume Medicare Advantage will not meet your healthcare needs here. So that's very important to consider when you're thinking about coming here. So what do I do? As a nurse, here's what I can recommend you think about before moving. There are a couple of options. So option one would be to keep your Medicare active. Many expats keep Part B so that they can return to the U.S. for major procedures if needed. Option two, use private health insurance in Panama, locally or international. Plans are available and much more affordable than U.S. insurance. Option three, pay cash for routine care because healthcare costs are lower. Many retirees use a cash pay approach for everyday medical needs. Mistake that retirees make moving abroad or even to Panama is people move to Panama assuming Medicare will cover them and they don't have a backup plan. Before you move, make sure you understand your coverage limitations, your emergency plan, whether you'll keep Medicare Part B, and your private insurance options. Okay. One thing I love about Panama is that you can actually access quality health care without the financial stress many people experience in the US. But the key to all of this is planning. Healthcare should be part of your relocation strategy, not something you figure out after you arrive. So, guys, if you're planning a move to Panama, I have a full video showing what I pay for a doctor visit here and the real health costs expats are experiencing. I'll link that video right here. And if you want real nurse level information about healthcare, retirement, and life in Panama, make sure you subscribe to Life Evolve with Michelle. I share the information I wish every expat knew before they made the move. Just a quick reminder, this information is for educational purposes only and isn't personal medical or financial advice. Always consult a qualified professional for your individual situation.